I'm kidding, this isn't ASMR, but today we're going to be building IKEA furniture, and I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite aesthetic bedroom products that I have right now. All of the links will be in the description, so be sure to check those out. I'm Alia, by the way. I always forget to say that for some reason. Yeah, let's just get started. I have such a weird current obsession with candles right now. If you watched my other videos, I light a candle in basically every one. They add a really nice aroma. I've been listening to Marie Kondo's books, and she talks a lot about like sparking joy, right? And I think just a really nice smell brings a lot of joy to my space. I also have this electric lighter, and it just goes, it's like electricity, so I'm pretty sure you can die from it, but it's not the first time someone would have gotten shocked. Shocked. Could have made a pun out of that. That's enough talking, let's get to the IKEA. Oh, I found the instructions. Just watching me struggle. Get a friend who likes to stick pencils behind their ear to help you build your furniture. I've never stuck a pencil behind my ear before, and I think that shows. I'm already a little confused. This is really a test to see if I can count, which I cannot, apparently. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. I've been really into dried flowers. It's like so beautiful. It's everlasting too if you think about it, because like dried flowers, they're not gonna dry more. Random glass vases. Actually, I don't even think this is a vase. I think this is an empty VOSS bottle because I wanted to try the VOSS. It's like if the ghost of a lemon possessed some water. This is a wine bottle. I think wine bottles are made to look sophisticated. Like they have a sophisticated shape. Next step is more screwing. I can't believe I've done this all wrong. I did the first step wrong. I've switched left and right. We're gonna pretend none of that ever happened. One of my favorite products so far though has been this jewelry stand. I think it's really pretty. It's a gold color, but you know how some golds, they look really fake. Like they look kind of reddish gold. This one is more like a muted gold, and it holds a surprising lot. It's like elegant. I went through and I fixed my mistakes. So left is left and right is right. That means I'm finally on step 2. Okay, so now we are on step 8. I might need more tools for this than I expected. I've been listening to a lot of audiobooks recently, especially Marie Kondo, and I really appreciate the way she writes. It's a lot more than just cleaning your space, it's feeling happy in your space. And that's why I actually bought this drawer. I wanted to fold my clothes, and folding and seeing everything neatly folded gives me like a sense of happiness. I know that audiobooks are kind of in a really weird territory, like they're not necessarily cool right now. I really like them. Wait, what? That is very confusing. Oh my god. Another audiobook that I read recently, I should say. It's called How to Win Friends and Influence People. That's the name. But it's really not about that. It tells you how to communicate with other people effectively. It's a little bit about leadership also. This feels like a fort. Although best dressed, please come back. Now this alarm clock is also one of my favorites. I think it's a really elegant alarm clock, and it's not like the TikTok ones, right, that are like mirrored and glassy, but I kind of like the simplicity about this. It's big and it's bold. You can tell the time from anywhere. Understated. Oh my god, it stands. Oh. I got my shoe stuck in here. This is the actual moment of truth. It fit, it worked. One more thing for your aesthetic bedroom is this string light. And this camera isn't giving it justice, but it's a really dim glow, as well as these photos on the wall. This is a collection of women in STEM, and they're hung on by these adorable tiny paper clips. And this here is NASA's Journey to Space collection. I just feel like these are very nice. Can you tell that it's getting kind of dark here now? But we still have an entire 4 drawers to make. On the bright side, this one only has 11 pages. It took me about 30 minutes to make 1 drawer. I am devastated. It's a good time to show you my 5th, 6th favorite thing in my room. This backrest is literally the most fluffy, soft, and comfortable thing that I've ever come across. Fluffy blanket too. I love just sitting here, curling up, reading a book or something. Probably not reading a book, probably playing on my phone, but it's just very warm, very comforting, and a layer of blankets generally gives a very nice textured feel, I guess. I have 3 more drawers left to do. That's okay. We'll get through it. Hello. It's actually the next day, but I'm really kicking myself because I forgot to introduce some of the things that I really like. I'm really surprised that I missed this, but it's this beautiful mirror, and I really love this sort of wooden ash gray sort of aesthetic. It just makes sitting down to get ready in the morning so much more pleasant, although I'm not going anywhere. The next thing is more functional than anything, but I have a mattress topper on right now. I don't know if you can tell, but my hand, it sinks in. I just really love this mattress topper because it cradles your pressure points. Like, you know, the purple egg test mattresses. I don't think your body is comparable to an egg, but this one is really relatively inexpensive and it helps me get a good night's sleep. I just feel so much more refreshed in the mornings. It's called like a Lucid mattress topper. It's so helpful. Going along with the wooden theme of the mirror, I have these wooden hangers that are so sleek and beautiful. And as a plus, I think Best Dressed also has these. These have little grooves on them that prevent your clothes from sliding out, and I think that's really helpful.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah.
Now that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check back next week to see how I use the drawers after decluttering my room. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, the old rassle tassel. I feel like I should give a warning before I say phrases like that. All the links are in the description, and see everyone.
Keep it